Welcome to our video on the 12 best foods to prevent and reverse kidney damage. Taking care of your kidneys is essential for maintaining good health and overall well-being. By incorporating kidney-friendly foods into your diet, you can make a powerful impact on your kidney health. Your kidneys play a vital role in your body. They filter waste, regulate electrolytes, manage blood pressure and blood sugars, and even produce hormones. Did you know that your kidneys are responsible for producing vitamin D, which is crucial for calcium absorption, bone health, and a healthy immune system? Another important hormone produced by the kidneys is erythropoietin. It stimulates the synthesis of red blood cells and helps maintain proper oxygen levels in your body. Every day, your kidneys tirelessly filter around 200 quarts of blood, removing waste and excess water. Keep an eye out for symptoms such as itchy dry skin, frequent urination, tiredness, foamy urine, and swelling in the feet and ankles, as these can indicate kidney problems. Kidney disease is often caused by conditions like high blood pressure and diabetes. However, other factors such as kidney stones, urinary tract infections, and glomerulonephritis can also contribute. Maintaining a healthy weight is crucial because obesity increases the risk of kidney failure and related complications. To lower the risk of kidney problems, it's important to exercise regularly, avoid smoking, stay hydrated, and steer clear of processed and refined foods that are high in saturated fats, trans fats, sugar, and sodium. Keeping an eye on your protein intake is also vital, as a high-protein diet can potentially harm the kidneys, especially if you already have kidney issues. Instead, choose clean, plant-based proteins and consume smaller amounts of meat to reduce the strain on your kidneys. Additionally, incorporating high-fiber carbohydrates into your diet can help slow down absorption and support kidney function. For a comprehensive list of the 12 best foods to prevent and reverse kidney damage are blueberries. Blueberries are rich in antioxidants, which help protect the kidneys from damage caused by free radicals and inflammation. Including blueberries in your diet can be beneficial for kidney health. Red bell peppers. Red bell peppers are packed with vitamins A, C, and B6, as well as folic acid and fiber. They are also low in potassium, making them a suitable choice for individuals with kidney problems. These nutrients can help reduce the risk of kidney stones and support overall kidney function. Fish. Fatty fish, such as salmon, mackerel, and sardines, are excellent sources of omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats help reduce inflammation and protect against kidney disease. Including fish in your diet a few times a week can be beneficial for kidney health. Cauliflower. Cauliflower contains compounds like indoles and glucosinolates, which aid in the elimination of toxins and support liver function. This indirectly benefits the kidneys. Additionally, cauliflower is low in potassium and phosphorus, making it a kidney-friendly food. Garlic. Garlic contains a compound called allicin, which has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. It can help lower cholesterol levels, regulate blood pressure, and improve kidney function. Olive oil. Olive oil is a healthy source of fat that can help reduce inflammation and improve overall kidney health. It is rich in antioxidants and has been associated with a lower risk of kidney disease. Cranberries. Cranberries contain compounds called proanthocyanidins, which help prevent urinary tract infections, UTIs, and reduce the risk of kidney stone formation. Drinking cranberry juice or incorporating cranberries into your diet can be beneficial for kidney health. Apples. Apples are high in fiber and contain antioxidants that can support kidney health. They also help regulate blood sugar levels and reduce the risk of heart disease, which is important for overall kidney function. Cabbage. Cabbage is a cruciferous vegetable that is low in potassium and packed with phytochemicals. It has diuretic properties that can help flush out toxins from the body and support kidney function. Onions. Onions are rich in antioxidants and contain compounds that have anti-inflammatory properties. They can help improve kidney function and reduce the risk of kidney stone formation. Egg whites. Egg whites are an excellent source of high-quality protein with low phosphorus content. They provide essential amino acids without adding extra strain on the kidneys. Remember, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian before making any significant changes to your diet, especially if you have existing kidney conditions. They can provide personalized advice based on your specific needs. Taking care of your kidneys through a kidney-friendly diet can have a significant impact on your overall health and well-being. Start incorporating these foods into your diet today and give your kidneys the support they need to keep you healthy. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, smash that like button. Subscribe if you haven't already. Share this video with a friend and comment down below.